Chat, don't remember to start your timer. It's a pretty important thing to do. Like 10 minutes into a paper, I just realized, oh shit, I miss the old Kanye. Yeah, arbeit bala Kanye. Like the old Kanye. Sigma n r equals 1/4 r squared minus 1 equals n over 2 n plus 1. N is greater than or equal to 1. We have an induction proof. Do love induction proofs. Which is the base case sigma n1 base case n equals 1. 1/4 minus 1 equals 1/3. 1/2 1 plus 1 equals 1/3. So true for n equals 1. Assume for n equals k. Proof by induction is a pretty simple process once you get the hang of it. This implies that f of k equals k over 2k plus 1. Prove for n equals k plus 1. We can just sub in f of k plus 1 equals f of k plus 1/4 k plus 1 minus 1. Now I usually like to write a goal, so I'll do k is 1/2k plus 1. So goal. I really don't like that 8 in the front. It's the worst part about inductive proofs. Oh my god, that isn't 6k. That's why. Ew. That's 10k plus 3. Okay, that has more normal solutions. Unfortunately, none of them satisfy. You know what, let's do some factoring. Equals 4k squared plus, no, I'm doubting myself. No, that is right. Plus 5k plus 1 over 8k squared plus 10k plus 3 equals k plus 4. That's 4k plus 1. 4k plus 1. K plus 1. Good sign. Over. What does 8, 10, 3 factorize into? I don't like that. 4 plus 3k. Why does that become a 4? Because if it was a 4, that's perfect. Don't know. You know what, let's roll with it. It should be 4k plus 3. K. No, 2k plus 1. Right? We want 2k plus 3. We want it to be 4k plus 1, 2k plus 3, 4k plus 1. Equals 8k squared plus 14k plus 3. Why did we not get that? I will firm losing the marks and cross them out. Gives me k plus 1 over 2k plus 1. QED, that should be a 3. I'm not writing out the IS. I write out the IS every time. No, the inductive statement states that if true for n equals 1, which is our base case, and true for n plus 1, n equals k plus 1, then true for all n in natural numbers. Proof by induction. Or PMI, proof by mathematical induction, as opposed to scientific induction. Z over W 3 plus I over 1 plus 2I plus lambda equals square root lambda plus 2. But we know the absolute can be written as square root 3 plus I over 1 plus 2I squared plus lambda squared equals lambda plus 2. We can just cancel these to be left with 3 plus I over 1 plus 2I squared plus lambda squared equals lambda plus 2. If we times out the imaginary part, we get 1 plus 2 I over 3 plus I squared, which is minus 2I plus lambda squared minus lambda minus 2 equals 0. We can now break this down to lambda squared minus lambda plus minus 2i lambda. We can plug this into the quadratic formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. My favorite formula. Been using it for like 10 years and never thought it would get this complex. Get it, complex. Fuck. B. That becomes -1. No, we take the minus of that. Minus. Wait, let me put this all over 2a. 1 plus square root. B squared is 1 minus 4. We don't have an a value, so it's just -2 minus 2i. Oh, I've got some hideous looking number. Lambdas. It's giving me an imaginary number, which is not right. Put that in the calculator. I don't know if you can have the... Yeah, you can have quadratics with non-real coefficients. But it says the real constant, meaning I have made a mistake. Let's go back to our roots. 3 plus I over 1 plus 2i. Let's evaluate this. 3 plus I over 1 plus 2 equals 1 minus I. My calculator is bugging. If I square my answer, you get minus 2i. Oh my god, we're taking the modulus. We take the modulus, so it's just 2. So it's 0. I forgot you take the modulus. So minus 2i as a modulus is just straight down. So I forgot to take the absolute shit. So 2 plus lambda squared equals 2 plus lambda. 2 plus lambda squared equals 2 plus lambda. This implies that lambda 1 equals 0, and this implies that lambda 1 equals -1. Wow, that's a big oversight by me. Basically, did not realize that was the case. We move. Question numero bunch. Wait, I gotta adjust something on stream. Don't show the stream key, please. Hi, Rab. Oh man. Okay, 2a, 3b, 1, 1 equals 1, 3. Let me just solve some CIC. 2 plus a equals 1, 3 plus b equals 3. A equals minus 1, b equals 1. No, b equals 0, sir. Equals 2, 3, minus 1, 0. A squared equals 2 minus 1, 3, 0 squared. So 2a minus 3a is equal to. Use part B to show further that. Bruh, you just got at times. I feel like I've done this question. Something very similar. Probably a while back when I was banging out matrices actually. Yeah, sure, we'll do it. A3 equals Lil Jojo 2 minus 1 3 0. Cool. And I feel like maths questions are like that, like, I don't know how to integrate sine and cos. Do I have to break it down? Ah, shit. I don't have the integrations. We're gonna have to skip. It's not coming up in my exam, so I'm chilling, but it's question 7. It's a bit annoying. I actually want to get full paper done. But, you know, the troubles of doing further maths. With a school that doesn't just do year 1 maths in the first year. And I mean, normal maths in the first year and then further in the second year. Oh, that is such a dirty question. Okay, so that means that x equals 4 over 3 y minus 1. This implies that... wait, no, I've done that the wrong way around. 4 over 3 y minus 1. $16. I might as well just expand these, there's some ugly brackets to expand. Pull over, take the track out of the whip. Pull over, take the track out of the whip. Rain doors. Equals 27 over 64 y3 plus 9 over 16 plus 9 over 8. It says bring everything into the brackets first and then we deal with yoga times everything by 4, so 27 y. Just add up the light times 108. minus 18 plus 90y squared. So we've done that, we've done that, we've done that. Plus 44 equals 0. Oh my god, that question was lengthy. Yo, set the marks, you got Eunice. Yeah, go on. Yeah, this is paper N. There we go, lad. I think that should be the right one. Is it paper N? Yeah. Cool. Almost done anyway. I've speedrun this paper. I've done it in 25. I need to stop practicing Corpure 2. I mean, Corpure 1. Jesus. I do so much Corpure. I need to do more D1. Although, alhamdulillah, I've gotten so much better at Corpure 1. I'm very confident with it now. So that means as soon as Corpure 1 is done, I'm just doing D1 the whole time. I feel like I need to set up a way to screen share my iPad onto OBS, but that only works when I connect my Mac. And I don't really like using my Mac for that. But I think there should be some app I can probably like emulate AirPlay from, is my best guess. Wow, my mic is too loud. But yeah. Ah shit, I opened a desktop. Oh my god, I forgot how to do it. Okay, my whole stream might have just had an aneurysm. I've just completely... Wait, how do you do the thing where you can see all desktops? Wait, view all desktops window. Bro, this is gonna start showing me. So Windows tab, what? No, it isn't. Ah, I forgot how to do this. Oh, oh, thank God that didn't break my OBS. Alhamdulillah. Calm, let me cook this question up. Don't forget old, can you? Why am I working so late into the afternoon? I should have been asleep, but unfortunately I have family obligations. We don't... Do I know how to do it when there's an N? No. Let me Google that actually. Summation formulas. A-level further maths. I don't know if I've learnt the... when there's an N inside. No, we have not done that. I will get on to question 9 then. I could be done by mathematical induction though. Could it? No. I'll look at the mark scheme. If it's something that I should know, I will just go and read on it after, to be honest. But I do not believe that I know how to do that so far. I'm using the cross product. Screw you. Given that L1 and L2 are perpendicular, determine the value of P. P equals -1. No, it doesn't. Perpendicular means... Does it mean when you dot them they're 0? Does it? 1, 1, 1 would be their parallel. 1, 1, -1 would mean... Oh, I've forgotten. Is it that you make the dot product 0 or you just invert everything? 1 plus... I feel like P equals -2. So then the dot product 0. But does that mean they're parallel or perpendicular? That means they're perpendicular. That's fine. P is -2. B. Find the value of Q in accordance with D. We're given that they intersect, so we can assume that's true. Someone's car's alarm's getting robbed. Inshallah, it's a false alarm. But I can just hear it. Oh, we've got noise cancelling now. I can't. Let's just equate these. So 8 plus lambda equals 3 plus mu. -3 minus 2 lambda equals -5 plus mu. And this implies that lambda minus mu equals 3 minus 8 minus 5. This implies that -2 lambda minus mu equals -2, and then we just solve simultaneously. Oh, this is a banger. Classic Minecraft music. -2, -1, -2. So I reckon if I sub into L2 and then just equate that, 0 equals Q minus 1. This implies Q equals 1. Find L3. I'm using the cross product. Ha ha ha. I still don't know what the formal notation for the cross product is. So I really don't feel like it's the time symbol, because that's undefined for non-multiplicably conformable matrices. Because also then you have two symbols that mean the same thing when you have two 1x1 matrices. Equals 3 minus 3, 0. We know a point that it lies on, so we can just do option math VCT. Math VCT. 3 minus 4 minus 5 plus 4 1 1 1 equals 7 0 minus 1 plus lambda 3 minus 3 0. Show that there is oh my god, I hate volumes in vectors. Vector volumes is horrible. Alhamdulillah, it's the last bit of the question though. For A3, B, C, and C, do I know point D? I do know point D. Wait, what do I do? I use the vectors, find the distances using, by taking them away and then using the absolute. Alright, cool. A, B, and C all lie on the same plane, so they are the base of the triangle, I believe. I don't know if I can make that assumption, but it seems obvious. Let's draw out 1, minus 3, 1, 0. This 1, minus 1. You basically have like a triangle. Areas minus. Think it is time. Not gonna lie, Mada's method for question 7 is clear of misses. What was question 7? You making it 4W, so yeah. I haven't seen Miss do a question like this. It was Aggie. The food. But yeah, let's fumble that paper. Let's get to marking. I honestly just solve for W and figure out while I do it. It's piss easy though. It's not a hard concept to grasp in my opinion. Cool, I did the how you can call it. The B squared minus 4AC. Cool. What? Radius is 4. 4 plus root 2. Where have they got the root 2? Okay, they've got the arg. Fine. Got that right. Why I used Eunice on 2 accounts? Who's Eunice? I've never met Eunice in my life. Why am I streaming maths at 8 PM? Oh my god. Cool. Step 1, we Gucci. K, 2K plus 1. Yep. Okay, that my answer is pretty valid. Proofs are impossible to get wrong. Like, if you've written it down. I'm on data right now, so cool. Yo, give me some advice on how I should improve the stream. I need to move my camera to like there. Like, imagine if my hand was here, so it's facing my desk and me. But it's like cable managed and stuff, and I need to take like off the cable routing. I'm on data. Cool. Cool beans. I don't think I'm gonna do this often, or if I do, I'm not gonna have chat open because it's such mad distracting. I just want to go for a paper and I couldn't be bothered. Was lambda 0 in my... Yes, alhamdulillah. One and 3, we gooch. Oh, this is a bunch of matrix stuff. These matrix questions are so goofy. Like the ones we have to show certain stuff, if that makes sense. Cool. This is all sine, cos, and tan stuff that I don't know how to do, to be honest. I'm not going to count my marks for this. 27, 90, 108, 44. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. I actually got that one right. Let me pause the Spotify and do 2 sajda. I'm actually gassed. Alhamdulillah, I'm actually so happy. Stream keeps buffering out at office. I'm actually very happy with that question. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I don't know how to do the Sigma X thing. I'm hungry as shit though. Oh, that was not in the brackets. No, it was. Okay, fine. Fine, just let me get this vector question right. Gakangu! Cool, I use the dot product because I'm lazy. Cool. He just did the distance formula. Nice. I'm gonna distance the modulus thing. Cool, I'm happy with that paper. There wasn't enough questions I could do to give it an accurate mark. But cool beans. Let's give it like a 65. I got everything. No, I got higher than that. Thing is, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna mark it because so much of it was like I didn't use the method it wanted. Dun, dun, dun. I think study with me videos would do better than streams. It's less distracting. I'm just set up OBS once and forget about it. Let's get to doing the AS normal maths paper. I need to get 100%. Done that paper recently. Haven't done that paper. Just messaged that to myself. Boys, remember to make a WhatsApp group chat with yourself to send yourself stuff. Copy. My group is in half an hour. Cool. X squared minus x minus 20, 0. I feel like we can use the graphing functionality on our calculator. X squared minus x plus 20. That's minus 20. Okay, it's a U-shaped graph, so we know it's going to be the greater than ones. X equals cool. Set notation. Hardest thing about set notation is curly braces. 9x minus 1. Explain y. Express y in terms of x. Cool beans. Can do. I don't think that's right. I always found the weird log law stuff really janky. I feel like I've done this question before, but we move. It's a GCSE question, I'm not gonna lie. 36, 15. Stream delay is crazy. Wild. Don't even know if I have stream delay on. I've sent the thing mad late. It might be that. Retry delay is on. I don't know. Yeah, I think I have decided that study with me streams are less productive unless I record first. But hold me accountable, it's doable. I might have to dip out after this session, I can't lie. It'll be the short one, but been good. I've got a mad headache. How long do I study every day? I don't count this as studying, but like real shit, considering it's exam season, I think this is one subject's work in 1 week. This is further maths in 1 week. Let me put it on this side. That's 1 week of further maths work. So let me do some hour and a half, an hour and a half, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, hour and a half, hour and a half, hour and a half, hour, hour and a half, hour and a half, 30 minutes, hour and a half, 50 minutes, 30 minutes, hour and 10. No, I'd say about 45 minutes. 45 minutes, hour and a half. All of these are about an hour to an hour and a half. So let's say on average they're an hour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. That's one subject. 22 over 7. About 3 hours on my best, on like my subject I study for the most. So I'll probably say about 5 hours per day. But I don't track everything. But I've had school all week as well, so it's not like I've been off for study leave. My study leave just started yesterday. Well, officially tomorrow, but yesterday, it's the weekend. Anyways. Yeah, I think it's going to be one of those like dip out ones. I don't think I can do I might do an AM stream. Yeah, I think AM stream is the move, boys. I don't know. Cool quiz. That's an hour done, Rooney. Yeah, I like doing a 5 AM stream because I get up at like 4:30, right? 5 AM might be a shout. Yeah. But I might go to school to study instead of studying at home because we have stuff happening at home. When do I go to bed? Like 9. 8:39. I'm gonna be in bed in half an hour, bro. I literally need to pray, drink water, sleep. It's not like I'm not getting good sleep. I need to get like scenes set up in OBS for study things. I don't know. So I need to figure out a way to map my iPad onto, because like I'm doing the papers right, and I think it'd be a lot more interactive if I had like what I'm doing. But yeah, let me launch wallpaper engine. Yeah, I've been doing that for a while now. I do a pretty extreme one sometimes where I wake up at like 3. I think that's too extreme to the point where it's a bit weird. But yeah, waking up like an hour early just to get some shit done, either go gym morning or study in the morning, is pretty good. Plus it just means you can never be late to stuff. There we go, my wallpaper's better. This wallpaper is so clean, nothing changes if nothing changes. I think I'm gonna call it that. Quick hour study sesh. Good shit. Yeah.